this is the majority of what you need, really. You need dish soap that helps with grease. You need laundry detergent that has that capacity to be like very alkaline and get grime and stuff out and tough stains. And then you want something that you can just clean countertops and stuff with. All right, so all-purpose cleaners, same process. I would say choose a product or make your own, use it up, move on to something else, make a mental note, see which one resonates with you. All right. Definitely useful to have some spray glass bottles to put this stuff in. This is our all-purpose cleaner. Just made this the other day and love it. Borax, washing soda, liquid Castile soap like the Dr. Bronner's, not the Sal Suds, but the just the pure plain Castile soap. And then you can add some essential oils in there for a little bit of scent. All right. We'll share all this info and the recipes and everything with you guys. So that's a really good all-purpose cleaner. Honestly, like I've been using vinegar for a long time too. I got a spray bottle of vinegar here. I got a spray bottle of vinegar at home. For countertops and stuff like that, it's perfectly fine. But if you want something a little bit soapy, this is a good option. Again, we see Branch Basics. The concentrate can be used for a lot of different things. And so excited to see how that works, what it smells like. One of my favorite soaps, again, in the world, that Weston A. Price chapter leader got me turned on to it, Miracle Soap. The ingredients are super, super simple. And also it's been blessed, but I love the smell of it. I use it in a diluted bottle. We use that all purpose in the shower, everywhere. It's freaking great. Another cleaner that you can use just by itself. This is that pure Castile soap by Dr. Bronner's, unscented. Has a million different uses. I mean, basically you can use it anywhere that you need cleaner or soap. You can use it for, shampoo. And then a couple of store-bought ones. You'll see Attitude in Whole Foods Market. And then, I think that's it as far as all-purpose cleaners go. I mean, when you really think about what do we need here? Maybe something just a little bit soapy to get stuff off the counters and stuff like that, or to mop with. Usually when I mop, I'll use just a few drops of the Castile soap or the Miracle soap. But again, our process here would be try one out for a little bit, move on to something else. These are all great options. They're all going to work. They're all extremely safe. All right. Homemade, Branch Basics, Miracle soap, Castile, and then you got some store-bought ones.